Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Jotform affiliate program, and also I'm going to share with you the strategies on how you can actually make money with Jotform affiliate program. Before we're gonna start and jump into the video, I created a free masterclass down below in the description how I make thousands and thousands of dollars monthly from affiliate revenue, and you can find the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video and let's see how it works. Now Jotform is one of the popular, comparing to also Typeform programs that you can use to actually create forms. And what I really like is that they have the 30% commission for every new user you send our way. So let's say that we would have, I don't know, 62 people. On my camera went off, 60 people, and then it's going to generate us about nearly $1,800, right? And it really depends like what kind of plan they choose. So as you can see, the revenue is pretty great here. So 30% commission, and that's like really great with 60-day cookie period. That's also pretty good. Now, how we can actually promote it, Jotform, and what are the strategies here? So to actually also apply, you need to just click here, join now, and then you have to just fill everything here on the site, and you're good to go. Now to actually promote it, so the first thing is like YouTube. You can just choose easily the segments here, right? So YouTube, you can easily create tutorials about Jotform. Then also you can create versus videos, comparison ones. So I can come to YouTube here, Jotform versus Google Forms, Typeform, Airtable, SurveyMonkey, and all of these lists you have that you can actually promote it, like Airtable, right? Then we're gonna have also Google Forms, Form Stack. And what is really great that you can see that you don't have any comparison on the Form Stack here. That's like a really good sign. Form Stack, and we can see here that okay, and it's rising in popularity too. And why there isn't any comparison video? And now I just found you a whole market that you can create video on. So that's like really good. And now when I can here, and I can have Jotform versus what we're gonna find here, right? So you see Jotform, Google Forms, okay. And let's say we want to actually find Form Stack. Okay, only 20. Here it is, 90 volume, and the competition is not high even on Google. So even if you're gonna write articles, you can easily do that. And then versus Form Stack. So that's like something you can do. And then what you can also do is not only focus on Jotform, but you can easily focus on Form Stack and create tutorial about that and articles and all of that, right? So all of that you can easily do. You can go to Form Stack and find also partner program here. You can also come here then and have Form Stack, how to use, and create tutorial on it. And you see there is a one how to simple. There are a few tutorials, but not too many. And that's something you can actually do. Right? So that's another one. And you can go step by step and find plenty of affiliate programs. Now I can come also here, and there is like I'm going to share with you something. And you can like find plenty of affiliate programs. So like using YouTube is the first option. The second option, what you can do is to actually use like articles. You can start writing articles about Jotform, about competition. As you can see, I use SEMrush, and you can find also the link for SEMrush down below in the description, and you can get easily free trial here, and you can see and find plenty of keywords, and you want to focus on a low of them. So you see DocuSign versus Jotform 15, right? And I can just come here to versus and just search for it, and like program versus program, whatever program you're going to find, they got affiliate, probably there are comparison articles that you can write, and just start writing. Also Writesonic can help you with that. So that's like pretty much how you can actually make money with the Jotform. And you're gonna have also the Timeform versus Jotform. So I can come here and you can create that. Typeform versus Google Forms. And you see they have only Capterra here, nothing else. So I can go to Typeform and look if they have any affiliate program. So I can come here and maybe they don't have affiliate program. Here they are. Earn 20 USD just for talking about Typeform. When they purchase annual plan here, you're gonna get $20. I know it's a low affiliate program, it's not that high, but still it is what it is. So that's something you can do also, and how it's possible to be done. And that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. And you can always check also the popularity of every single tool here. So I'll go to Typeform. And I see right here the popularity is also rising for the tool. And all of these tools are getting more and more popular that you can actually use. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. This was a Jotform affiliate program review. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.